As humans, we've always been intrigued by what's happening around the Earth. I mean, the space, what's happening in the galactic world, what is happening in the solar system, what's on the other side. We've always been worrying about it and at the same time being excited about it, intrigued about it, and you must have already guessed. This video is about space. As humans, it is a natural curiosity to know what is other than Earth. And today, definitely the video is about space, but not about a space mission, not about ISRO, not about Elon Musk. It's about something that commemorates or celebrates space missions. So what we're waiting for? Let's go ahead and check out what exactly is something that we're talking about. So this is the ASUS Zenbook OLED 14X Space Edition. It specially commemorates the space and has a lot of things that relates to space. You can go by the box. It has special signs. It says Space Edition. It has longitudinal and latitude on the box. It says Zenbook 14X OLED and XXV, commemorating 25 years of space missions. And this is Space Edition. Even the top handle says Space Edition. So a lot going on in there. And it's not just a Space Edition, it is the top of the line laptop or notebook from ASUS, and we are really excited to unbox it, and so should you be. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's so special about this Space Edition. Special Space Edition box needs to be unboxed in a special space way. So an astronaut doing the duty here. So the moment of truth where we unbox the Space Edition. Let's put the handle back in and push the box up, and it's our wow moment, specifically because what you see right here is this box which looks like a spaceship, and definitely a lot of things happening here. You can see the Space Edition on the box, 1986 to 2001, and the material used is definitely like a spacecraft material usage over here. Again, plastic wrap. This seems to be a stand for the laptop, which is interesting because this is also where the cables are for the charging. So that becomes a stand box, which is great. Again, you can see this is so beautiful, and plastic wrapping, which we'll take off with the help of the astronaut. And what you see here is actually a screen inside, which we'll be seeing in a bit. So we'll just unbox it. So see this, I mean, isn't it beautiful? The box itself is just too good and so different from a regular notebook unboxing this is. So we'll just open the box, and you see how the laptop lifted itself. I just want to do it again from this angle, where you see the laptop is going up automatically when you lift the box. This is brilliant. This is something really unique, and see the screen kind of a material, this plastic that they put, the 1998 till to 2022, which is here denoting the 25 years. Everything is just way too good. Oh, nice. Right under the laptop is a space package where they have, even if you've seen some videos from the International Space Station, this is how things are taken there. Food and a lot of other things are in this special packaging, which is again a very specific material for space expeditions. And inside that is all these documentations and booklets where you can refer to. This seems like a package from the space. Let's pull the tab from it and see what's there. So it says ASUS in search of incredible. 2 decades have passed since ASUS P6300 laptop traveled into outer space, searching for the unknown, testing the boundaries of technology and human courage. So this is not just commemorating Space Edition, it's also commemorating the P6300 laptop that was taken into space in 1998. And it says that since then it has been pioneers in the space, and which is a good thing. And this is like a collectible limited edition, which is really nice, and love to keep it, but obviously this is a review device. So I'm just gonna put all the documentation away and come to the laptop itself. which is just incredible. And it says it's ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition, which specifically has 3.5 inches OLED Zen Vision with notification. But this window right here is a screen, and it shows you information and also notification. And this is one of the few thin and lights which comes with 45 watt Intel Core H series CPU, which is very performance heavy, and also comes for gaming series of laptops. It's like 2.7x performance boost with ASUS Ice Cool technology, because when you have such a performance centric processor, you also need cooling technology, because this is really thin and light. Again, because this is built for space, commemorating space, this is US space grade durability. It obviously has the best of screen, which is 100% DCI-P3 true color and HDR support, and you can see the contrast ratio for HDR. It's crazy over here. So we'll take the plastic wraps off this laptop. It says add Astra per Aspera. Then it says Space Station Mir MIR 1986-2001 Space Edition. Again, beautiful to look at. And we'll just open it up, remove all the plastic. See, this is how it looks. This is the screen, and again reminding you of a space shuttle. So the first thing you see is how different the keyboard is, and also its touchscreen. Because this is a space edition, how they've beautifully worked on the design, and you can see those lines. You can see a specific color for the space bar and the power key, and this power button has integrated touch fingerprint, which almost with a second knows that it's you and logs you in as soon as you hit the power button. And you always have the numpad on ASUS laptop on the touchpad. Now if you talk about the specs, it comes with Dolby Atmos, Intel Core i9, Intel Iris Xe graphics, Alexa enabled. That means it has far field microphones here, and Pantone validated. In terms of resolution on the screen, you have 2880 into 1800 resolution with a 90 Hz high refresh rate. So they haven't given up on anything. Not only you get a 2.8K display, but you also get 90 Hz of refresh rate. It's just 1.4 kg and 15.9 mm, which is crazy considering the kind of power it has and the ports it has. And not just that, it has a 63 watt hour battery, 63 WH battery, ASUS Wi-Fi Master Premium with Smart Connect and Wi-Fi stabilizer. Now let's look at the ports of this machine. If you look at on the right, you get battery indicator, you get a power indicator, you get micro SD card reader. These are for all the heat dissipation. You get a 3.5mm audio jack, you get a normal USB type A port, which is SS speed, and USB 10. A lot of heat dissipation happening here on the other side too. And on the other side, you get an HDMI port, two Thunderbolt ports in fact, and again heat dissipation. So you have all the ports that you would need, and again very thin and light. It says Zenbook series. The unboxing is still not complete. Let's open this box and see how neatly this box, which contains the charger, turns out to be a support table for the laptop. So even in this box, the choice of colors, the choice of materials show how serious and dedicatedly they have worked on the design and paid all the attention to detail, and how nice it looks. So even this is a class apart to open and to experience it. So Space Edition again. This is the charger, again Type-C charger, which is 100 watts. So once you have taken out your charging cable, this is now a table for your laptop. All you have to do is keep it like this, and you just get that tilt angle that you would require from a table. So the box becomes the table, which is crazy again. That was our quick unboxing and first look of the ASUS Zenbook 14X OLED Space Edition. If you also think this is a crazy nice edition, which is not limited, and you can always buy it at a price of around 2,10,000 rupees, then do let us know in the comment section below. How do you like this one, and why is it so special to you? So thanks for watching the Unbiased vlog. See you in the next one.